with gadgets almost bought every year?
Smartphone.
So smartphone, what model
It's iPhone.
you think? So full sentence in passive. Is most bought, yes, is most bought
Bought every year.
every year.
What products are exported by your country?
Uh-huh.
I think that oils and the gas are exported.
Are exported
Yes.
Mhm.
By our country.
by our country. Okay, Ayslu, your answer?
Which materials are your clothes and shoes made from?
Uh-huh.
Our clothes and shoes.
Or skirt maybe. Huh? Do you know? Materials? Cotton, yes, cotton, from cotton. So in passive, your sentence in passive. Cotton, yes, from here, yes, made from. Okay, next, Ajay Bhai.
Were you told any good or bad news yesterday? No, I wasn't told.
You weren't told, yes? Yes, I wasn't, you're right. Uh-huh, next.
Are you given that? Are you given pocket money every day? I am given this.
I am given, you see?
Pocket money.
Pocket money, what? Every day, every month, every year?
Not every day.
Every day.
I give.
So no, this is not just your turn. Ayslu. Yes, alibi. You made alibi. You may say anything, but you should prove.
We have watched the film, that's true. And I have a ticket.
Ticket, yes. Okay, this is your alibi, yes? Uh-huh. Okay, we don't blame you. So next, please, colleagues, what can you say?
At this time, I was chatting with the other.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you're lying.
Yesterday at that time, we celebrated with my family birthday, and I had at that time photo. I said alibi in this chat.
So,
I have messages.
I wasn't there, Aisha. I wasn't there. So,
They are not.
you are comparing nowadays students with you.
To my mind, it's dependent every human. Yeah?
Okay.
Because when I was
Young?
young,
Young?
was young,
Younger,
I was
let me see.
stressed.
Stressed with what?
My children. But nowadays, I'm still.
You are serious? You
Nowadays,
are,
maybe you have
you are
your
calm?
experience.
Maybe.
Yes.
Mhm.
I'm married. I have 3 children, and I have also my family. And I can't. My life and my work, it is stressful for me because I'm a bit tired.
you get tired.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't have any time for myself. That is why I need time management. I think this year I plan to work with time management. And then
Oh, okay, that's good.
Or dragging brush, so you do know the difference. If you deliberately sabotage my bed, I will fuck you like big.
What was the first thing in my mind? Because who gave you a time of teaching?
Chemical.
She said she can't record, but I expect she's lying.
Okay.
So, my mind, there are some new ones, and some of them we know before this seminar. And I have learned here about dubbing, this one, and I have learned about alibi. And this is, to my mind, it's an interesting strategy, and it will be interesting for our people maybe. And we have, I have learned that we should use 4 more items, maybe phrases, in order to increase our students' vocabulary. And if you have used many items, maybe phrases, maybe they should speak more fluently. So we should be very careful about our students speaking, and we need some patience when they were speaking. We shouldn't interrupt them while they're speaking. We shouldn't correct their pronunciation when they're speaking. We shouldn't correct their words if they speak it not correctly. We should need patience. End of our lesson, and we should give them more opportunity in order to speak in English.
So, thanks a bunch. So, Aycan, you may say also in Kazakh too.
For me, the best strategy is that script to screen.
On dubbing, yes?
It's dubbing, yes.
we also improve our knowledge about speaking to improve student speaking as a lesson.
So, your feelings of today's, our methodological day, excellent. Huh? What can you say, Akhima?
Thank you for this lesson. How to say for tips. Yes, tips to how to promote the speaking skills of learners, and we get a lot of interesting strategies of speaking. and we should use it in our lessons. First of all, we have to learn it by ourselves, and by using these methods, students' speech will be increase.
Will be.
Yes. Thank you. This lesson was very useful for everybody.
Yes. Okay. Hello.
All these strategies are very useful. Writing.
Dubbing.
Dubbing.
Mhm.
It's more useful for speaking, maybe, or role playing, or
Like role playing. Then.
mixed now.
Mix, pair, share.
It's too useful. Thank you.